The following is an ESG Lab video.
Hello and welcome to this ESG Lab video summary. Over the next few minutes, I'll be reviewing the results from a recently updated ESG Lab validation on SimpliVity hyper-converged infrastructure. ESG research reveals that improved data backup and recovery, managing data growth, increased use of server virtualization, and desktop virtualization are 4 of the top 5 IT priorities over the next 12 months. Organizations have clearly made virtualization a priority, but traditional IT infrastructures are extremely complex, inflexible, and expensive to purchase and maintain. While VMware has made VMs mobile, the data associated with a VM is still bulky and difficult to manage, protect, and move. SimpliVity hyper-converged infrastructure greatly simplifies the IT infrastructure by assimilating all of the traditional components into a single, scalable hardware building block. SimpliVity's OmniStack data virtualization platform software runs on the hyper-converged infrastructure and is built on 3 core pillars. Accelerated data efficiency ensures data is always deduped, compressed, and optimized in line with no impact to performance. Global unified management allows VM-centric management of all systems across the globe with a single interface. And built-in data protection provides efficient, automated, policy-driven global backups with low RPOs and RTOs with minimal impact to operations. OmniStack can be deployed on any of the 4 SimpliVity OmniCube models or integrated solutions from Cisco or Lenovo, or even in the AWS cloud for off-site backup and long-term, cost-effective archive storage. SimpliVity hyper-converged infrastructure can be scaled by adding nodes to a cluster in a data center and by adding clusters to the global federation. All of the efficiency, management, and data protection benefits of the data virtualization platform running in a single cluster are extended across the entire global federation. ESG Lab validated so many of the features and benefits of SimpliVity hyper-converged infrastructure that it would be impossible to cover it all in a short video. But here are some of the highlights of the testing that can be found in the full 28-page report. ESG was able to deploy an 8-node SimpliVity cluster in just under 30 minutes using the Automated Deployment Manager. Once deployed, it was easy to create, clone, and move VMs. And all data and copies were stored space efficiently. Here we saw that 5 clones of a VM required no additional capacity. We were able to create automated policies for backup schedules and were easily able to backup and restore VMs from both the local cluster and from the global federation. We were even able to perform file-level restores and validated that VMs were still available even after a node failure. Typical application performance testing is measured in a matter of minutes with no other operations active in the environment. In reality, applications need to be protected. ESG Lab validated the results of protected application performance, measuring application performance over hours while the system is also performing a heavy mix of data protection operations. We saw almost no impact to the application performance when running an aggressive schedule of local backup, restore, and clone operations, and saw linear scaling for protected application performance as nodes were added to the SimpliVity cluster, up to 8 nodes and 1,000 fully protected VMs. There was very little impact to application performance when performing both local and remote backups and restore operations. SimpliVity is also a great choice for VDI deployments. ESG Lab validated the fully audited results of login VSI testing showing fast deployment times, scaling from 1,000 to 2,000 knowledge workers, and sustained performance during node failures. The results are highlighted in an 8-page ESG Lab review focused on VDI. So why does all this matter? By converging all the components of a traditional IT infrastructure with accelerated data efficiency, global unified management, and built-in data protection, SimpliVity helps to lower both capital and operational expenses. As nodes are added to the data center's cluster or the global federation, application performance scales linearly, with active local and remote data protection operations running. SimpliVity gives your business the flexibility and agility to easily grow from a small business to a large business and even to a distributed global business without adding any complexity. If your business is looking to maximize efficiency while also reducing costs, ESG Lab strongly urges you to consider a SimpliVity hyper-converged infrastructure deployment. If you'd like to learn more, you can download the full ESG Lab validation report from the SimpliVity website.